Hello, friends. Hello, friends and knife nerds. This is the Vanguard Breaker. I have been excited about this one. I have wanted it for a while. It sold out in the original titanium release, and now they re-released it in CF, and it's even cheaper. I think it was closer to $4 before, $350-ish, and now it's about $205 for the satin model, and then $225 for the semi-mirror polish. And I definitely wanted to pay for the semi-mirror polish. And I think they have like 5 distributors, Vanguard, and all of them were sold out real quick of the original. So this version should still be available if you're interested in many places. They have some of the best packaging out there, folks. Check it out. This is, I don't know what kind of wood they used, but it looks and feels great. And $225. And you're getting this like beautiful, high quality packaging. Vanguard knives, they have quickly become one of my favorite brands. I look for their releases. So we got a couple of patches here for your EDC pouch. And then we have Vanguard knives. Thank you for choosing your kind of proof of purchase that you got a real Vanguard knife. And this is it. Let's take a peek. Let me get this out of here. Beautiful. Carbon fiber scales, thick chunks of that carbon fiber. Titanium backspacer, lanyard hole. Pocket clip, titanium. Let's check the action out on this thing. I'm just observing. It's beautiful. Vanguard is they got a look, and I dig it. It's like a medieval look. Ooh, that was good. That was so good. It is a liner. Oh, the false shut. Let's check out the lockup on this thing. There you go. S35 VN steel. Lockup is like just solid, and the false shut is so good. Deployment, awesome. False shut, amazing. Whew. That is so nice. This runs on brass bearings. The action is on point. Check out that mirror polish. Man, that is that's a semi-mirror. And looks even better than semi-mirror. That is nicely polished. I mean, a mirror polish is beautiful. So I mean, I get the semi, but that's a nice mirror-ish polish on there. Very cool. Then you have the satin flats, and looks like the swedge is also a mirror finish or semi-mirror. Absolutely awesome. It's what I was hoping. That action is so crisp, guys. Blade hole, my favorite. Reverse flick, on point. False shut, absolutely beautiful. Let me get you some measurements. Let me do that for you, my friends. Let's see what we got. We are looking at 3.253, 1/4-ish inch blade, and then that S35, and then overall we're looking at an 8-inch knife. All right. I like when they're nice and reasonably standard sizes. It's going to be chunky. Definitely a little heavy. Yeah, 5 ounces. That is awesome. You can feel it. Look at those giant chunks of carbon fiber scales on this thing. And they did some relief. This thing would have been wildly heavy, I imagine, if it was not for the relief in there. But that action is so good. Vanguard, their action is awesome. I love the Continuum. That was my first Vanguard. I'll show you guys that here. Has a very similar look In fact, why don't I do that now? We'll make it a part of comparison. Let's compare. Pivot to pivot. Like the mill? Yeah, probably. Maybe the continuum is slightly smaller. It's kind of hard to tell. They might be identical. I don't know. But, yeah, you can see the look they got going. They're kind of chunky, kind of medieval looking. And I like it. So, this is the same. It's an 8-inch knife, basically. Let's put out there the bug out. This will give you a little more context. I think most people have one of these. This is a 7.5-inch knife versus the 8s up here. Then we'll roll in the Shaman. So it is a slightly larger knife, the Shaman. What is the Shaman exactly? I use it on my videos, but I thought it was just about an 8-inch. It's 8.25-inch knife. Okay, just about. So 8.25-inch to 8-inch. You can kind of see they're all a little thick. These are even thicker, especially the Vanguard Breaker. That mirror polish is well worth it. The packaging is fun. 220 bucks, friends. Really a sweet value. A very cool knife. And I really enjoyed that mirror polish. I don't know about you guys, but that's a fun thing to do because usually these mirror polish finishes are very expensive. So it's nice to get a semi. You know what I mean. Well, friends, knife nerds, let me know what you guys think. I think it's a pretty sweet knife. It's up my alley. It's obviously not going to be up everybody's, but it's something I've wanted for a while, and I'll see you in the comments.